Hey guys, here's my Weeden 17. We have a pretty good whistle. This is supposed to be a reverser. Come in tighter. Yeah. So it has going clockwise. Ooh, didn't mean to hit that. Going clockwise here. In the middle is neutral, it doesn't do anything. The other one is counterclockwise if you're looking from this end. Nice little governor right here, point that out. That's like the original one. So this is clockwise. And this thing gets hot as a firecracker, lets out all kinds of steam. And we go counterclockwise. It's pretty weak going the other direction. But it does work. My sight glass down here is still leaking. That's a new glass, a new silicone seals. Try as I might, I can't get it to really seal. Also can't get the water to move up and down very well either. You can just see the flame going on inside. What's inside is like a little, I almost call it like a candlestick that pops up, and it has a little tongue underneath there to keep it in there. So it's a, you fill it up, you don't light it, and then you put it in, and then you light it through a hole, right? So I get a little alcohol, make a torch, light it, right? It has a fill hole, only one hole in it, and I thought for sure that I would need to plug it up, but all kinds of calamity happens with the fuel if I have it plugged up. So then I try to partially plug it up, and I'm using cork, still calamity. And this last time I just left the hole completely open, which scares the bejeebas out of me, but it's working now. And of course, I can't tell how much water because, is that the right level? Is that not the right level? I don't know. Let's see. If I let this build up. There you go. Maybe a little bit more speed there. Yeah. Stop it. Oh, it's fucking hot. I'll try to go the other direction, let it build up steam. I don't know. That little lever, I have to say, it's interesting. I don't know if I like it or not. There you go, the other direction. Yeah, see, I'm looking at that little fire hole down there, and it has definitely lit up. It's like I need some type of a seal that has a hole in it. Anyway, you'll see it when I bring it out. That's pretty cool. It just pretty much almost started itself. All right, I'm going to blow it out. Ooh, yeah, that was fun. Let the steam roll out. Well, at least the whistle works. Okay. Not crazy hot from there. So we'll do this little tongue. You should be able to see it. Take this. There's still fuel in there. So here's the little tongue. This flaps over. This is the little candlestick guy. You can see I've kind of a little fire going on there a couple times, figuring things out. Yeah, I do not like this thing. You know, it has an indent, like there's something to be plugged in there, but I'm pretty sure that when you have these burners, you need to have a vent hole. But if you close that up, there is no vent. On top of that, if the wick is really soaking up the alcohol, there's a seam, because this is not a cylinder, it's just like folded over metal, and it can drip into here, which I think will happen when I have this closed. I guess it just sucks up too much fuel and then it just goes all the way around. Anyway, very interesting and pretty engine. I mean, I like its looks for sure, without a doubt. But I do not like that burner. No, sir. All right. Weeden 17. It works, I guess you could say. Almost set my apartment on fire. All right. See you next time, unless I catch on fire. Bye.